In this video, I'll guide you through how to define or edit a table schema in Google BigQuery. Whether you're just getting started with BigQuery or looking to refine your data management skills, this tutorial will provide you with a clear, step-by-step approach to managing table schemas. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google Cloud Platform account and have navigated to BigQuery. Once there, the first thing you need to do is select your dataset. This dataset is essentially a container that holds your tables, so selecting the correct one is crucial to ensure you're working with the right data. After you've selected your dataset, look for the three dots next to the dataset name. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option to create a table. This is where the process of defining or editing your table schema begins. Now, you'll see a section labeled Schema. Here, you have two choices depending on your needs and the format of your data. If you're working with a CSV or JSON file, you might find the auto-detect option very useful. By checking this box, you're allowing BigQuery to automatically infer the column types from your file. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're dealing with a large data set and want to ensure accuracy without manually specifying each column type. On the other hand, if you prefer to have complete control over the schema, or if you're working with a different file type, you'll want to go with the manual edit option. To do this, toggle the edit as text switch. This allows you to paste a JSON schema array directly into the interface. If you're comfortable with JSON and already have a schema prepared, this can be a quick and efficient method. Alternatively, if you prefer to build your schema field by field, click on the plus add field button. This option lets you type in each column name, its corresponding data type, and its mode one by one. While this method can be time-consuming, it offers the most precision, especially if your data has specific requirements or constraints. Once you've set up your schema to your satisfaction, it's time to click the Create Table button. This final step confirms your choices and creates the table with your defined schema. If everything is set up correctly, BigQuery will create the table and you'll be ready to start loading data into it or running queries. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to define or edit a table schema in Google BigQuery. Whether you choose to auto-detect or manually configure your schema, you've got the tools to set up your data just the way you need it. Remember, setting up a schema correctly is crucial for efficient data analysis and management, so take your time to ensure everything is just right. Thanks for watching and happy querying.